Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be hanging Christmas lights. So for me and my family, Christmas starts November 1st. And so that means Christmas decorations all in the house and lights on the outside of the house. Well, we went to Home Depot last year on New Year's and they were having a sale on these Christmas lights. They're like $5 for 150 lights, and I grabbed everything they had in stock. You're gonna find a better deal than that. And then the other day I bought these clips because I want these lights to be as laser straight as possible along my gutters. So we're gonna take these clips, we're gonna clip each one of these lights, hang them on the gutters, under the shingles, all around the edge of the house. But I'm not gonna be standing on the roof while I do it. I'm cheating this year, I guess you could say. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to be using this. This is a diesel powered snorkel lift, which will get me up to my rooftop and extend out. It can go up a 4% grade. This is kind of overkill for Christmas lights, but it's a buddy of mine. He let me borrow it for this, and I'm not going to pass up the opportunity. Okay, so what I want to do is I got a plug on the back side of my house over there, and I want to run this extension cord down to it and plug the lights in over here on this corner right here. What's up? Hanging Christmas lights. No. His mommy would kill me. Since I'm on the peak of the roof here, I take the time to talk about these clips. These things are pretty cool. So these are, I got them on Amazon. They're about, what is it, $25 or $50 for 100 of them. They're a little more robust than most. So they use different size lights, but for my application, the lights are going to go in like this, and then they're gonna sit into that lower channel like this. As soon as you find the right angle, you push them back onto it like so, and they all sit in there. And then I'll mount every single light bulb with one of these, and this clips into the gutter like that. Or in the case over here on the side of the house, it goes into a shingle like this. And then what I'll do for those is I'll mount it the other way for going underneath the shingle. I'll mount it down like this, and then all the way down. So I'm gonna do that for the side of my house, going up the peak and down to the gutter, and then I'll be in the boom lift for the whole front of the house, going all the way across, and then try to get in the boom lift again for the other side, because I got a little more space over there with the grass. So we'll see how it goes. So I think so far, by far my favorite part about doing this with that giant boom lift is the look on people's faces when they drive by in the neighborhood. Like, that's an odd time to be doing roof work. And then they get closer and they're like, oh, he's going full Clark Griswold and putting up Christmas lights with a boom lift. Okay, and then they keep driving. So it's entertaining. Something nice about these clips here is that they got teeth on them, serrated, angling that way so that they can't pull out of the shingle too easily, which is really nice. So we're moving on to the gutter now, and then it's really pretty self-explanatory. Pop the light in there like you always do, and then this part here just kind of goes over the gutter. Is that better? Oh yeah. All right, I'm getting there. I think I'm over halfway now. I'm starting on the peak over my living room window. This thing is basically invaluable. I got it hung over my deck, my front porch, and I'm going up the peak here down the other side. I think after I reach a certain point here, I'm probably going to have to reposition this lift over here, maybe get it on my grass so I can get up the other side. So we'll see. I'm not sure yet. Progress report. I had to get more clips. I went to my Ace and got these ones here. They work pretty cool. These ones are different than the ones I was using originally because these ones, you can pivot them up or down depending on how you want the lights. That's cool. I should have bought these in the first place. But either way, making good progress. All I've got left is just get to the peak and then down to that corner, and then that's it for the roof. I'm done using the boom lift for now. Lights turned out pretty good. They're pretty laser straight from down here. I still got to do some stuff on some bushes and some trees. I got a 6-foot angel I got to put up, so there's still much more to do for the Christmas lights. All right, everything's strung up on the roof. Looks good. So you guys can see a difference how straight it is right there. And then I did the same lights around my garage and how kind of back and forth they are. That's the difference between clipping them and just stringing them. So not much I can do around there though. But I got our angel up, got all our bush lights up, trees lights running around here by my truck. It looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. All right, guys. If you can see me, thanks for watching. Appreciate it, all of you. If you like what I do on the channel, please consider subscribing and also hit that like button for me. Thanks.